Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be an exciting new addition to DJI's lineup of drones. With fresh leaks and insider information, we're getting a clearer picture of the upgrades it will offer. From improved camera capabilities to enhanced flight performance, this drone could redefine what's possible in the compact drone category. Here's an in-depth look at everything we know so far about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, including its rumored features, anticipated performance, and expected release date. Leaked image analysis. The first glimpse of the DJI Mini 5 Pro comes from a leaked image shared by renowned drone industry insider Jasper Ellens. This image reveals some significant design changes and new features. Front-facing sensors. New sensors. Positioned between the two front optical sensors, the image appears to be dual LIDAR sensors. Functionality. LIDAR technology allows for more precise obstacle detection and avoidance. Unlike traditional optical sensors, LIDAR is effective even in low-light conditions and can detect thinner objects such as tree branches. Benefits. With these upgrades, the Mini 5 Pro will likely introduce advanced autonomous flight modes and improved active tracking capabilities. This could bring it closer to the functionality of high-end DJI drones like the Air 3 and Mavic series. Camera module. Larger sensor. The leaked image shows a redesigned gimbal with a larger camera sensor. While exact specifications remain unknown, the new design suggests significant upgrades. Gimbal redesign. The gimbal module has a new shape and mounting points, indicating a departure from the design used in the Mini 3 and Mini 4 series. Potential features. A larger sensor could mean improved dynamic range, better low-light performance, and support for higher video resolutions, making it a game-changer for content creators. Flight performance upgrades. Thanks to new motor designs and enhanced aerodynamics, the Mini 5 Pro is also expected to deliver substantial improvements in flight performance. Stronger motors. Design tweaks. The motors in the leaked image feature visible vents, which could improve heat dissipation and overall efficiency. Increased power. According to Jasper Ellens, these motors are more powerful than those in previous Mini models, allowing for better wind resistance and faster speeds. Enhanced maneuverability. With stronger motors, the Mini 5 Pro could offer a smoother and more stable flight experience, even in challenging weather conditions. Improved stability and control. Wind resistance. The upgraded motors will make the drone more capable in windy environments, a critical feature for outdoor filming. Maneuverability. Enhanced motor power could translate to faster response times and better control, appealing to both amateur and professional pilots. Expected autonomous features. The addition of LIDAR sensors opens the door to new and improved autonomous features. Active tracking. Advanced tracking. The Mini 5 Pro could offer better subject tracking, even in complex environments like forests or urban areas. Low-light scenarios. LIDAR sensors will ensure reliable tracking in dim conditions, something optical sensors often struggle with. Obstacle avoidance. All-around safety. Enhanced obstacle avoidance will make the Mini 5 Pro safer and easier to fly, reducing the risk of collisions. Improved precision. A notable upgrade is the ability to detect thin or small obstacles such as wires and branches. Intelligent flight modes. New possibilities. The Mini 5 Pro may introduce advanced flight modes similar to those found in DJI's more premium drones, such as waypoint navigation, automated cinematic shots, and more. User-friendly automation. These features will make it easier for creators to capture professional quality footage with minimal effort. Release date and availability. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to launch in the summer of 2025. While this may seem far off, it gives DJI ample time to refine the drone and tease additional features through future leaks. Why summer 2025? DJI has a history of releasing mini-series drones in the mid-year timeframe, which aligns with this rumored release date. A summer release allows DJI to target the peak season for outdoor activities, ensuring strong sales and user adoption. What to expect before launch? More leaks. As the release date approaches, we can expect additional details about the Mini 5 Pro specs, pricing, and performance to emerge. Beta testing. DJI may roll out beta units to select reviewers or influencers, giving us a first-hand look at the drone's capabilities. Why the Mini 5 Pro could set a new standard. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has the potential to redefine the compact drone market by bringing high-end features to a portable and lightweight form factor. Key differentiators. Compact yet powerful. If the rumored features hold, the Mini 5 Pro will strike an ideal balance between portability and advanced functionality. Creator-friendly. A larger camera sensor and advanced tracking modes will make it a top choice for content creators looking for professional-grade results in a compact package. Enhanced safety. Improved obstacle avoidance and autonomous features will make the Mini 5 Pro accessible to beginners and reliable for experienced pilots. What's missing? While the leaks provide exciting details, some questions remain unanswered. Camera specifications. Will the Mini 5 Pro feature 4K per 120 frames per second video, HDR support, or 10-bit color? Battery life. How will the upgrades impact flight time? DJI may need to balance performance gains with battery efficiency. Pricing. While the Mini series is known for its affordability, the addition of premium features could push the price higher. Conclusion. The DJI Mini 5 Pro promises to be an impressive leap forward for DJI's Mini series. With advanced obstacle avoidance, improved flight performance, and a redesigned camera system, it has the potential to set a new standard in the compact drone market. As we await its expected summer 2025 release, stay tuned for more updates and leaks. Subscribe to stay informed about the latest developments, and don't forget to drop a like if you found this breakdown helpful. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a beginner, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a drone worth waiting for.